I went to a beauty pop-up sale. It's actually a woman who has like tons of product. Anything that a makeup artist needs, she has it. She has makeup brushes, foundations, eyeshadow palettes. They have flat irons, eyeliners, lipsticks, some of everything, primers, skincare from different countries. It's absolutely amazing to the makeup lover, the skincare lovers. I had did a little bit of research up on it. I had seen the ad on Facebook and I thought, why not go? And I knew right off the bat when I seen the products that she had, I knew I was coming in there to spend some money, you feel me? That it's a one-woman business. She has she has guys that are in there helping her out. I don't know if there's any relation or anything like that, but it was just so amazing. They literally were very informative from beginning to end about what each product was for. And that's what I really needed them for, was my skincare, because I already know the makeup basics. So they were really helpful. They were there. They were giving you guys, they had testers for everything. They were giving you guys swatches. They were doing skincare regimens on your arms and things like that. And it was really, really nice and really helpful. Now, as far as the prices are dirt cheap. Like, this is a makeup artist heaven, you guys. It was like beauty galore. And I'm just gonna stop rambling and show you guys the things that I purchased. I really expected to go in there and shop for a ton of makeup, but they had some really good skincare that I had never seen before. I'm talking $600 skincare, $700 skincare, and everything was super unique and everything was at like a distribution price, you guys. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this Secret Collagen Multivitamin E, A, and C. And this is basically a facial peeling gel. And when he basically had, you know, did it on our arms, and when we put our arms side by side, there was so much dead skin that fell off instantly. It's like a physical peel, but it fell off instantly, and it was super, super shocking, to be honest. So this is something that I needed to pick up. I believe this was around couple $100. I want to say maybe $400 something, but I got this for $30. The next thing that I got, you guys, I actually did my research on this, and this was $695. I believe this is the one that was $695. This stuff is for like the rich, you guys. I'm talking about the rich, you feel me? This is some Hydra Fresh toner and milk cleanser, and this is from Dynamic Innovations Lab. Basically what it looks like, it's your milk cleanser and then it's your hydrating toner. And this stuff is super expensive. Like, for a minute we thought they were just talking like, oh yeah, they want to hype up the prices so we can be like, oh yeah, that is cheap, it is cheap. But we pulled out our phones on, we put out Google, we searched where they were selling them, and it was crazy. It really was those prices, you guys. The next thing that I got that was super cool was this meteorite powder magnetic mask. And this was so crazy. Like, it says meteor powder magnetic mask is an intensive treatment that magnetically extracts skin, aging, and dulling toxins using technologies that's literally out of this world. It said it works to smooth, exfoliate, and even skin tone. And the crazy part is this has 24 karat gold in it, you guys. So whenever he put the powder, the mask on my arm, he just did it for about a minute, but you're supposed to put it on your face for 10 minutes. And he used the magnet and it literally wiped everything clean. There was 24 karat gold dust left on my arm, and when I rubbed it in, it made my skin look amazing, you guys. So that's something that I highly recommend. And I got this for $15. $15. And this is about a $200 to $300 product. I want to say even $4. Now, I got this beautifying nail kit, and this was really nice. I mean, I used it about a week ago, so you guys can't really tell, but my nails has like a natural shine to it. And on the inside of it, you have a nail file, you have your cuticle a therapy treatment, you have a nail buff, and you have your hand lotion. And it felt like I had, when I finished my nails just with the little buffing thing, it shined and it made my nails look like I had a clear gel nail polish on my nails. It was so beautiful. So this here was only $20, and it was definitely worth it. Now, I also got this mud soap, and the mud soap is like a Dead Sea type of vibe here, and I heard really good things about this. It was only $5, so I wanted to go ahead. The thing that I got as far as like body product or skincare was this herbal aromatic body butter. And this is some really nice thick body butter. And I mean thick, you guys. I believe I spent about $12 or $14 on this. So that's everything that I got in the skincare department. Like I said, I was hoping to go rack up on all the makeup, but I was looking at the stuff like, okay, I have this, I have that. So I just wanted to get things that I didn't really have. First of all, I end up getting this for free because you basically like spin the wheel. However much you spend, if you spend over 100, you get to spin the wheel. So I got a free eyeshadow, and then I got actually 2 free eyeshadows. So the next thing that I got is this She Makeup Flawless Finish, and these are basically like yellow drops that I like to put inside of my concealer. I got 4 lip pencils, and I got some really cool shades just to try out for the fall time. And then I also got another one in hot red. I picked up 2 pairs of these lashes. These are my favorite lashes. I get these from Dysel, this style specifically, and I love them. Those were $2 each. I picked up this Beautifying Oil Primer, and this is basically for whenever I don't want to wear a super matte foundation, but I have no choice. This is going to make it dewy for me, so this is a really nice primer. I also got this eye glitter primer because I really needed it. I'm always using my Morphe Fluidity, and that's specifically to make your eyeshadows opaque, not really to make your glitter pop. So the last 3 things that I purchased were eyeshadow palettes. I got this Beauty Creations. They have so much Beauty Creations stuff. Beauty Creations Tease Me palette, and this to me, oops. So this to me was a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette, and just look at those beautiful shades. Like, I can't wait to do some looks with these. Guys, this was about $12. Okay, so this is a really nice palette here. It's called Espresso Yourself. And every shade in here, they also have the shade names as well. But every shade in here is basically like a coffee type vibe or coffee type name. And this is something that's perfect for the fall. That's why I picked this up. I'm definitely going to be doing some fall looks with this, and I cannot wait. And this palette here was $12 itself. The last palette that I got was also a Beauty Creations palette. They had Cara Beauty too. They had everything you can think of. So I ended up getting this Beauty Creations Olivia palette. And like I said, I went in there to get things for the fall season. I got fall makeup items, like eyeshadow palette themed. And then I got my skincare for the fall / winter. So when you first open this up, these are the beautiful shades that are in here. Like, and this camera is doing it no justice. Like, these are perfect for the fall. Perfect for the fall. I can get so many different looks with this. So yes, so basically that's all that I got from the beauty pop-up. So I hope this video was helpful. Woo woo woo. Woo woo woo. Yeah, I do. It wouldn't have locked with the keys in there. So, we're walking in, guys. Oh, peek my umbrella, y'all. All things makeup, beauty. We're excited, we're excited, we're excited. We're coming to spend some money. We're coming to spend some money. We are here. I'm uber duper excited to spend all of my money. I'm gonna spend every dime. I'm just playing. Ooh! Heaven. Oh, that's for the shopping.
Welcome, welcome, ladies.
Hey!
Welcome to the beauty pop-up. This is our mascot, Chewy.
Aww, cutie. Hi.
Welcome, ladies. Welcome.
Hi.
If you need any help, my loves, we're gonna help you, all the boys with the black. We'll assist you with foundations, with anything you need.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy, sweetheart.
Thank you. Ooh, I'm in heaven.
Big brushes. You get 24 brushes for $25. It's like $1.10 for one brush.
Oh, we're here to spend some money
No,
anyways.
it's the cutest one. Those are travel ones. You get 12 brushes for $20, and yeah, those are even more fluffier.
So
babe.
cute.
Yeah. So those, what I like about them, they're so short.
I think one of these were in my Ipsy bag.
Yeah, Beauty Creations is a big brand.
This is the
Wait.
one that peels the dead skin off.
Facial peeling gel. This is what the first thing you just showed?
Yep.
Okay, and what else did you show us?
The toner. We use this one for our demonstration because it's a little bit cheaper. We always recommend that one because the fragrance in this is added. It's not natural.
Oh, really?
That one has no added fragrances and it's alcohol free as well.
Okay.
Yeah. And